with the CIA.
Why are you telling us now about your CIA involvement?
I'm in jail. I've been betrayed. I've been humiliated. And I think it's about time for the world and the American public to know.
So says the CIA first reached out for him in 1991 after he became an advisor to his childhood friend, General Raul Cedras. He said he was given a code name, Gamal, and an agency walkie-talkie so the CIA could summon him at a moment's notice. And he says he went on the payroll at around $700 a month.
How did you get paid?
U.S. currency, in cash.
From the Station G?
Yeah, from him.
And early on, he said the CIA encouraged him to provide damaging information about Aristide. Return Aristide as president. But undercover, working as a secret ally of the CIA, whose officers, he says, didn't want Aristide back.
But what you're saying is that the White House had one policy.
People, to frighten people, and yes, kill people. And
I was meeting with the CIA on a regular basis. We had an understanding, we had an alliance. So if I'm guilty of those crimes that they're accusing me of, the CIA is also guilty.
Because they knew what you were doing?
Because they knew exactly what I was doing.